What's up, dudes? Welcome back to the Grow Up. Here we are in the closet where we have our LED grow lights hooked up. And you'll see here I only have 6 plants per light. That is because the distance the light hits effectively is about 2 feet. So this, from here all the way to here, is a little bit less than 2 feet. So I could technically make a 3x3 setup, but I'd have to move some stuff around, and I just don't really need to. It's kind of hard to see how the plants are doing because of the light, so you can sort of hold your hand over it. Well, it looks better over here. They look greener to me than they do in this video, but such is life. So I left my fertilizer at work, so they went without fertilizer for a while, but now they got it again, so they should be looking better here pretty soon. There's the 5 brain strains, chocolate brain strains, and here's the Tepin lemon drop. Looking pretty nice, really nice actually. But man, this brain strain, this thing has got a crazy thick stem. Like, this stem is, look at that. It's really thick and strong. Like, this thing's not going to topple over anytime soon. And the leaves are fucking huge. So that's pretty cool. I mean, like, look at this monster. That's a monster leaf. I'm starting to wonder if the leaves are so heavy that it's weighing it down here at the top, because it's not really growing up anymore. It's just kind of split here, as you can see, and it's hanging down. So if you've got any idea why that is, let me know. But this one split earlier, so you can see where it comes off here and here, so it's not as tall. This one's growing up more, so it's a little more vertical, which is what I kind of wanted, was something with a little more verticality, I guess. But yeah, these look great. This is the stem that was basically dead. It looked dead. It was just a stick, this stick right here in the dirt. It was that way for about 2 weeks, but now it's totally bounced back and looking great. See, there's the stick right there, chopped off. So it's growing from the apical, or not apical, the axillary buds. So that's pretty sweet, pretty cool. Let's go look at our other plants. I got another surprise for you. Here we are, back with the grow light. Here's the tomatoes. Here are the gold cayennes. This big one here is the chocolate scotch bonnet. That's trying to come back. It's looking pretty nice actually, pretty large. These are the Boutelogia replacements to replace these guys, which I don't think are going to come back. I actually planted one of every pepper type that I didn't grow, just to kind of see if they would sprout. And 2 of them have. One of them's a white Vitale, the other one's a Serrano. But yeah, here's the rest. The rest of the gang. I'm probably going to get rid of the 2 really weak, small ones here in the middle. But I've got at least 2 of every variety. And it's a nice sea of green under this HPS. They just were not getting enough light otherwise. But, oh yeah, the stuff, that I've been using, of course, has been the GH Bloom. Good shit. Really good shit. Also bought some CalMag to apply that. But here's the big project that I've been working on. This is a compost bucket. But inside, here's the paper, shredded paper clippings, but beneath that Let's see how far we have to go. Where are you guys? I know you're in here. Oh, they're real shy today. Oh, there's one. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, I could see it a second ago. Oh, what the hell? There's the worms. See them? Yes, sir. So, yeah, I got worms. Got worms now. So, I constructed this bin for the express purpose of creating worm castings by throwing in my food scraps. So in here I've mixed in like coffee grounds, potato skins. This is the shredded paper, of course, on top. With the shredded paper on top and keeping it a little wet, it actually keeps the smell down. Supposedly it keeps pests out. But this louver on the top also helps keep the smell minimal. So I can just cover this up. Good to go. This also has a PVC pipe running through the width of this bucket with air holes. So there's ventilation inside and also a spigot to get any of that delicious tea that comes out of the bottom. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this bucket. It's pretty nice. So that's what we got going on. So you know, we got the small plants in here, we got the big ones in there. So I think we're all set. So I'll let you guys know how it goes later.